Hi guys, this is Ojonla. You're welcome to my channel. We can see that some guys are finding it so difficult to download video from Twitter. So in this tutorial or in this video tonight, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to download video from Twitter. Very easy. I'm gonna be showing it to us. So first thing first, before we continue, please make sure you like this video and you also subscribe to the channel so as to get some of the interesting videos I'll be posting next. So please, let's go to Twitter straight. Launch your Twitter app. Okay, now let's look for any video that we likely want to download. Okay, this is a video. Now let's try with this. Click on play.
Saying that your wife right now is in the same bar where I'm cleaning up.
Let me pause it. Then you see this share button, the last button by the right, share. Okay, just click on it. So as soon as it brings out these options, then you click on copy link. Look at it, you see copy link there. So just click on copy link. Okay, so after clicking on copy link, there are two ways to download that video. You have copied it already, so there are two ways. Number one is by using another app. So you use another app to download it. And that two is that you go to savefrom.net on your Google Chrome. So but first, let's try the another app. So we'll be trying vidmate. Please, are you following? Please make sure you subscribe to this channel so as to get more amazing videos. So this is vidmate. You're going to be clicking on vidmate. With this vidmate, you can download video from anywhere, from YouTube, from Vimeo, from Instagram. You can download videos. Okay, now you can see Twitter logo there, right? Just click on Twitter. As you can see, it is loading. So what you do next is the link you copied. Sure, you don't forget that you copied the link, Abi. So the link that you copied, just come to this address bar and you paste it there. So just long press, then click paste. That is, as soon as you then click go, it will load that video out. Don't worry, you don't need to sign in. You don't need to log into your Twitter. Okay, see, that is the video. Now you'll be seeing a download button. That is a download button. That is this red, this down arrow circle with red. So just click on it. So it will ask you which of the sites that you want to download. Just pick anyone you want to download from it and just click download. Task added. So can you see download complete? So now let's go to our files. Okay, now this is my file manager. Let me go to videos. You can see this is the video now, the first video.
I am saying that your wife right now
another
is
way you
in the
can
same
download
bar
this video.
where I'm cleaning up with my friend.
Another way of downloading the video is
That's what I said.
don't worry about this app. If you want, I will share the APK with you on the comment section. Let's go back to the comment section. Going to download this.
She wants to run away.
Let me go. So another way is go to your Google Chrome let me click on my Google Chrome. You can see now you go to www.savefrom.net. Okay, no shit. So as soon as you get here, the link you copied from that Twitter, just paste it here. Paste. Can you see? Okay. Now, as soon as you load it, you put it on that site. So as I was saying, guys, the video has now loaded on savefrom.net. Then you click on download. You can see one that is showing MP4. Just click on download there. Press back to cancel this advertisement. Then as soon as the video loads here, then you see a 3 dotted line, the last by the right hand side, 3 dotted line. Just click on it. Okay, now you see download, right? Just click on download. Downloading file is downloaded. So downloading video from Twitter is as simple as that. Please, before you go, make sure you subscribe to this channel and you like the video. Let's meet again in our next video. Thank you.